morning, sir.
Get it. Okay, welcome to the news. We're in conversation with Mr. Abraham Kromah here at the Civil Law Court.
Congratulations. Talk to the media.
Thank you very much. There's nothing in your favor. So what does it mean for you now? Okay, a man of the court, you're not getting the information of this?
Well, this is for me, this is what we expected because we have a fact on our side. When you have a case like this where people blatantly, recklessly try to I think all you do to only place you go to is the law. And that's what we did. We decided to come to the law. Because my understanding was when Mr. Fadiga made all these outlandish comments, rebellious comments, we had thought that it would have been addressed at the executive level where the president appointed folks at the Ministry of Justice so that there can be some disposition, so we can decipher the issue as they are. But regrettably, that process was put in place, and eventually we find ourselves basically looking at the justice system, and so that didn't happen. The Ministry of Justice could not produce the result, and the Senate President. I would have thought that at that point in time, the facts would have been revealed by Mr. Fadigas. Basically, both of them neg on that, and they didn't use any facts. I didn't have justice because they tarnished my reputation. I got 35 years service without any mark. I've served this country all my life since 18 years old. I've been a public servant.
And this is where I will come in, looking at the injury that you suffered. How much injury did you suffer?
Immense injury. Because if we spend all your life, traditionally we from the business background, but I decided to go to public service. And going to public service, you have to be above board. You have to live in life. That's what we try to do. Even during the crisis, I was on the side of ceasefire. I was on the United Nations from place to place, going to all of the platforms to actually get the British Army. So that's the role we play. And so when it comes to the peace process, I was in the vanguard of this. I even accepted a position of chief of staff just to fill in the government. I'm not a military guy.
You filed a damages suit to $1.5 million. But the last time we interviewed, you said the money is not what you have.
I don't need the money. Is like I told lawyers. I told her, look, go ahead. I just want justice to prevail. I want the president to understand that you don't do that in this country. This is a country of law. You don't come and damage people's reputation and go for impunity. You can't do that. This is not a Liberia that I grew up in. This is not a Liberia that we know of. You have to now overcome. They go around. I listened to one of the podcasts they had. It says, when I said I can put that at the level, they receive service. But our civil procedure law, once you have the sheriff, the court officer, and the ministerial officer told you wanted to serve you and you refuse, you almost assaulted the ministerial officer. You are deemed served.
Now we are getting information that they have come.
They fled. The other guy went and waited at the airport, waited for the flight to pick up. But then we didn't have the judgment. We didn't have the information about the appeal. And the fact that the appeal had come and gone, we now reduce the fact to follow up on our judgment. We went downstairs, got the flight certificate.
Your lawyers here.
They're the ones who told me to talk, Chief.
Okay, well, let's talk to you.
Pleasure.
Okay, so you just listened to Mr. Abraham Kromah here, giving you updates here at the Civil Law Court, Temple of Justice, on how he won the case again. You can record the case case was who against the Fadiga brothers, wherein they were charged the sum of 1.5 million and so 900,000 United States dollars. With that amount, the lawyers representing them filed an appeal. So Fadiga's brother and the lawyers also went and filed a motion to dismiss the appeal on grounds that the judgment as brought down by the court should be respected and heard too. So there where we are, and this morning the court just ruled and dismissing that appeal, and then said the judgment will have to be served. So thank you for watching DN News. Thank you for your like, comments, and this I will take leave of you. Thank you.